A kitchen hack to me is a no-brainer. If there's something that I can learn to make my kitchen life a lot easier or more efficient, then I want to know what it is. Let's get started. So I don't make smoothies very often, but when I do, I hate the cleanup. I usually just soak it, but I've learned a better way. If you just take it off and give it a few pumps of soap and put some water in it, screw the top back on it and run it again, it will clean itself, and all you have to do is just rinse it, dry it, and there you have it. An easy to clean smoothie cup. We use our toaster quite a bit, and so I keep mine in this basket to keep the crumbs off of the counter. But a lot of people didn't know that you actually have a crumb catcher on the bottom of your toaster. If you look on the bottom, you should find some little tab that will allow you to pull it out and it'll catch all the crumbs. So now all you have to do is dump the crumbs into the trash can every so often. Go ahead and get a scrubber and get all the excess crumbs off of it, because sometimes they stick. Wash it off and dry it. I decided to go ahead and clean my toaster because it had a little bit of stuff on it, and so I wanted to clean up before I put it away. I put the crumb catcher back in there and then put it away. My microwave is something that I always have to stay on top of. I've learned a quick way to clean it without going in there and have to scrub off all the little pieces of food that end up on the top because somebody decided they didn't want to put a top on it or cover it up when they cook their food in there. So all you have to do is get a microwave safe cup, put some water in it, and add some lemon juice to it. You can either use a fresh squeezed lemon, or I just use this lemon juice that I already had in a jar. You want to put it in the microwave and turn the microwave on. I originally tried it for 2 minutes. That wasn't long enough, so I had to go back and I did it for 5 minutes, and that was perfect. Now it has finished, so you want to go ahead and carefully remove the cup with the hot water in it. Now remember, it's hot, but I want you to see all the steam that's built up in the microwave from just running it from 5 minutes. And that's what you need. That's what you want to see, because with that buildup cooked in there, it will help loosen all of that food that's making it easier to clean. You can go ahead and take the tray out or the plate out and all the other things in there, and everything just wipes out totally clean. It made cleanup so much easier. I wish I discovered this sooner, but go ahead and give that a try. The next thing I want to talk about are these silicone tray liners. I have 3 of them, the blue one and the red one, the same size, and then it also came with this smaller one. I guess you can use that in a smaller pan, but I use this a lot. I use it to cover the bottom of my baking sheet whenever I'm baking, or I even use it sometimes when I'm roasting vegetables. I'm not a fan of it for that, but it also will work. But it makes for easy cleanup. Literally anything that gets on it just wipes off. I store mine by just rolling them up relatively tight all the way, and then I just take a really small binder clip and I just clip the end on the top to hold it all together. I have a magazine holder that I store them in, and that is it. If you have an air fryer, you know cleanup can be challenging if you have things that stick on them. But if you use these little sheets that have a little bit of wax coating on them, that can help protect it, and it catches all the hard baked on things. It makes cleanup easy peasy. Take it out and throw it away. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up, and let me know which kitchen hack or idea helped you the most. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Please be sure to watch some of the other videos. I'll have them linked here. And until we meet again, hugs and love. Bye.